In the previous video, we sent a message to Azure Service Bus topic, and by default, every subscription received it. But what if that's not what we want? What if we have a restaurant orders topic, but only the relevant messages should reach our kitchen crew, while another set of messages should go to audit crew? In this video, we'll use Azure Service Bus filters to control explicitly which messages reach which subscriptions so the right downstream receiver receives it. So before we begin, let's take a step back to understand what we have set up here. On Azure, we have the Service Bus tutorial resource group with topics as restaurant orders. If we further look into it, there's subscriptions added in entities section, and there we see that we have two subscriptions, audit crew and kitchen crew. Now, in order to ensure that the message lands on a particular subscription in our topic, we'll open kitchen crew as the subscription, and there we'll see that there's the filters section present in the overview. By default, there is a SQL filter added as default. However, we will be creating our own filter. Let's call it kitchen, and we'll set it to as correlation filter as the filter type. And we'll go over to custom properties and add the key as order type and value as kitchen only. I'll just save these changes. And since we have now the correlation filter by name kitchen with the custom properties set, we are good for this subscription. I will do the similar set of changes for the other subscription that we have, audit crew, by adding the correlation filter, calling it audit and setting it as order type to be audit only, and removing the default filter that is present. And that was all there is for adding filters. Let's test these filters out. So I'll head to the subscription kitchen crew for this scenario and go to Service Bus Explorer over here. The subscription is kitchen crew, but it does not matter. We will send a message, test message only for kitchen crew. And before sending, I'll just make the changes on custom properties to add order type of type string with value as kitchen only. This is where our filter will pick up on the topic and make sure that only the matching correlation filter subscription receives it. So I'll refresh this and we'll see that kitchen crew message count increased by 1, whereas audit crew is still 1. So our message only landed on the kitchen crew subscription. So we are good. Now I'll again send a message, even though it's kitchen crew, it does not matter. I'll keep the body as for audit crew only, but this time the custom properties order type will be audit only. And even though it's being sent over a Service Bus Explorer in kitchen crew topic, it does not matter. It will land on the topic first and correlation filter will do the filtering. And this time audit crew message increased by 1, whereas kitchen crew did not change. That verifies that our message landed on the audit crew subscription this time. And that's it. We have gone from sending every message to every subscription to actually controlling which subscription receives which message. If you'd like to see how we can set these custom properties from code and build the same flow in .NET application, let me know in the comments. And if you are using Service Bus in your own projects, share your scenarios below. Would love to learn from it, and let's build together.